Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the earbuds and confirming basic connectivity. Make sure they're charged, then press and hold the earbuds to power them on. The LED will blink. Once done, put them in pairing mode if your phone doesn't auto-connect, and open Bluetooth or the Soundcore app. You want an active connection before changing volume. This prevents input conflicts. If the app is available, keep it open. It provides finer control and firmware checks, which help when basic volume controls seem unresponsive. You now control where volume comes from and why. Start with your phone or computer volume buttons because system-level output sets the ceiling. Increase gradually to avoid peaks. Then use the earbuds' touch gestures, tap, swipe, or press, and learn the exact gesture for your model. This adjusts the earbuds' onboard amplifier. Make sure to open the Soundcore app to enable absolute volume, adjust media boost, or change EQ. These settings change perceived loudness. If levels feel capped, toggle absolute volume off and on to refresh the audio path. You finish by verifying sound under realistic conditions. Play a track you know well, listen for balance and any clipping, and make fine adjustments with the app or device volume. If volume still seems low, check for firmware updates, install them, then restart earbuds and phone to apply changes. As a troubleshooting tip, reset the earbuds and repair them. This clears misbehaving profiles. If that fails, test another device to isolate whether the issue is the earbuds or the source.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.